All right, so step 3 is to update voicemail and call information. From the dashboard, we're going to go down to the bottom left and click Settings. From here, we're going to scroll all the way down and go under Call and Voicemail Settings. We're going to bring the timeout all the way to 20 seconds to give it the most amount of time, and then we want to record and shrink a MP3 file to fit into here. That's going to be our voicemail. So what we do with this is we added 2 links that we are going to put at the bottom of the video for you to use, where we're going to record our voicemail and then we're going to shrink it to fit the file size. So right here, I'm going to click on record. Hey, this is Anthony with 8482 Training. Sorry I can't get to the phone right now, but please leave your name and phone number and I'll be right back to you. My number is 305-987-0210, and I hope to hear from you soon. So now we have the MP3 file. What we want to do is preview, download, and now we have it right over here. We're going to go to the online audio converter, open up the file, and then find it, click on it, open it up, and now we're going to bring the quality to economy to shrink the file size. Click convert, and now we're going to click download, and now we have Rev 1. We're going to go back to the call and voicemail settings, and we're going to upload it. So this should be it. Click open, and now we have our voicemail ready, and we can play it just by clicking this play button. Hey, this is Anthony with 8482 Training. Sorry I can't get to the phone right now, but please leave your name and phone number and I'll be right back to you. And there you have it. Click Save Call Settings and you're all finished. Thanks for watching.